Let me be honest with you. A lot of people feel overwhelmed by technology today. First, it was the internet, then smartphones, then online banking, then two factor authentication, then apps for everything. And just when people finally feel like they understand how things work, now there's artificial intelligence. AI writing emails, AI generating voices, AI creating videos. And it makes people wonder, am I supposed to understand all of this now? If I can't keep up with technology, is there still a place for me in this digital world? If you've ever felt that way, you're not alone. A lot of people are quietly asking the same question. But here's something important to remember. This is not the first time technology has changed quickly. Many people watching this video lived through the rise of the internet, then smartphones, then online banking, and digital payments. At first, each of those changes felt unfamiliar. But over time, people adapted, not by becoming technology experts, simply by learning how to use the tools step by step. Artificial intelligence is simply another step in that same journey. And the truth is this, you do not need to understand everything. Very few people actually do. The digital world is full of complex systems behind the scenes, but using those systems does not require you to master the technology itself. Think about driving a car. Millions of people drive every day. Yet very few people actually understand how an engine works. And ask yourself this, do you need to know how the engine works in order to drive the car? Do you need to understand how a microwave works before you use it? No, you do not need to be a mechanic to drive safely. You just need to understand the rules of the road. The digital world works the same way. You do not need to learn programming. You do not need to understand artificial intelligence. You do not need to analyze every new technology that appears. What you need are a few simple habits that protect you while you navigate the digital world. And that is exactly why this channel exists. Now, I want to be clear about something. This channel happens to talk about scams quite often because scammers use the internet as their main tool. But this is not a scam channel. This is a cybersecurity made simple channel. The goal here is not to overwhelm you with technology. The goal is to help you live safely in a digital world. Because the internet is not something you need to run away from. It is a tool. It makes life faster, more convenient, more connected. You can learn new things, stay in touch with your family, access services from your phone. The digital world can be incredibly useful. But like any environment, it helps to enter it with some protection. Going into the digital world without protection is a bit like going on a journey without preparing yourself properly. Does not mean something bad will definitely happen, but it is also not the best way to start the journey. What we want is something simpler, a few habits that help protect you while you live your normal life online. Habits that slow situations down, habits that help you verify things, habits that help you avoid reacting too quickly when something feels unusual. You do not need to master the technology. You just need a few simple habits that protect you while you interact with the digital world. And that is what cybersecurity made simple is about. Helping ordinary people develop habits that make digital life safer. That is exactly why I teach something called the Human Firewall Method. It is a simple system built around a few habits that help ordinary people stay safe online. Artificial intelligence will continue evolving, technology will continue to change, new tools will appear. But good habits remain useful no matter what technology appears. You are not alone in learning this. Many people are navigating the same transition into the digital world. Take it step by step. Learn what you can. Protect yourself where you can. And do not let technology make you feel like you do not belong in this world. Because you do. Remember, you do not need to have tech skills to stay safe. You just need good habits. So share this with the people you care about, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.